Monday. Did you have a good weekend, sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Did you watch the race? No? Didn't watch the... I'm not much either, but we had some friends over who are big NASCAR fans and they wanted to watch the race, so we got stuck watching the race. I got stuck watching the race.
Well, how was it?
I kept saying just turn right, it'll be a lot more exciting. But no.
Left turn.
Yeah, all those stupid left turns. Have you been to a race?
No.
No?
You?
No. But Mikey said it's an experience that you have to do it one time. Because they go so fast around the turns.
Right.
Like you feel it in your chest, he said.
Barely feel it.
Who knows? Maybe next year we'll go.
Absolutely right.
It's on 60, so.
10 pounds.
I forgot to ask Mikey. You're all done?
Yeah.
All right, first clip of the week. Sun shining in your face. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Wow, what do we got here? What a mess. Recycling one piece at a time. Chopping up buses today, so I suspect this afternoon we're gonna get that big bin with all the radiators and copper and reefer cores. That'll be good. You can put that rim in that thing. That's up, yeah. Look at that hood. Make it. Did you look up how heavy the beast is? No. I'm going to, yeah. What's this week going to bring us down? What are we going to get? A whole bunch of stuff. Or a Cadillac. Chevy 5500 chassis. Oh, like a Duramax? It was built onto a Duramax chassis. Wow. The forks are steel, right? They got steel in them. Yeah. Yeah. That one's goes in with that.
Did I go in there?
No. But you got the one rim, I saw. One more rim, so we're at 15, 25, 40, 45 right now. Yeah, light irony. Two batteries or 1.5? 1.5.
Those electric motor?
Yeah.
Want that sign in there?
Yeah.
You want that? Batteries?
On that pallet.
Well, this and this one right in the motor?
No, right there.
Yeah.
too?
Yeah. And the weed eater and the forks. In the corner, yeah.
Hey, Jeff, how you doing, buddy?
Oh yeah, you too. 22 bucks. 22. Gas money. You be good? You be good girls? No bombs. No bombs, girl.
I need a license plate. I got a license plate.
Huh?
I lost mine. I don't know where I lost it. I make a police report. I have to make one.
What do we got here?
No this.
No, no.
No this.
No
Oh,
this.
this stuff.
The scooters. I came on Saturday and got the...
Oh, yeah. I was gonna call you yesterday, but I got your number. I'll find me a nice. A nice is the one. It was for a kid.
Yeah.
It was painted with kid with fixed and all kind of crazy shit on it. It was really nice. Oh, shit.
This might be good.
When you put videos and it says on Saturday. It says
On Saturday. Yeah.
That means that was the one for the Friday?
Part of it, because the one on Friday was too long.
Oh.
You don't want to have one out there that's like an hour and a half long that people are going to want to watch. Although some people might. What are you doing? You're being just like Penny. Just like my dog. She gets into everything. Yeah. The chainsaw?
Yeah.
Over here?
That chainsaw blower
Yep.
and coordinators.
The two alternators down there.
Huh?
The two alternators go down there.
The bottom.
You marking your territory, girl? Is that what you're doing? Huh. Watch it. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, it's good girls. Yeah, it's good girls.
I'm really excited about it.
That's fine. 27. Six. $166. We got a crap ton of rims. Look at all those. This sucks because this is going to take away all my bends, because I usually hold on to the rims till we get a semi-load, and this is going to take up at least 3 of these bends. That sucks. So the chrome has to go separate. Yeah, That good? That good? That'll be for chrome. Chrome. Throw them in. Yep. Aluminum. Yeah, that's what I mean. That was a lot of rims. And your last name? Your last name?
Abu Kabsa.
How do you spell it?
A-B-O-U.
A-B? A-B-O-U? A-B-O-U. Hey.
I spell it for you.
A-B?
A-B-O-U.
Oh.
K-A.
Yeah. It's Khalid?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. From New Mexico, right?
Huh?
From New Mexico?
No, we moved here.
Yeah, from New Mexico.
Now they come with 2 chains, bro.
I know. 1120. That was $700. That's $700. That, just that one. That's it. Eight. And then chrome. 1,200 bucks so far.
How many pounds was that? 900 and something?
Yeah, something like that. One thing that sucks is now I lost 2 of my bins.
No, one bin's over there?
No, this.
Oh.
Because they don't put these in my trailer. They wait till they get a whole semi-load.
That's stupid.
I know. Right, 504, so 254 pounds.
Damn, if I knew we get back off the rims, I would have told you guys to save all this shit.
Yeah. So $1,400. Party backer, party board, shower. How you doing, Al? Did you watch the race?
I want to. Who won it?
I don't know. Never heard of the guy, but he's the guy who won the race last year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I don't know. I'm not a NASCAR person. Over here. Good shot. How was your weekend? You look cold.
Hey, it's cold.
It was nice today. I loved it. Huh? A little nipply. Okay, there's a pound of copper right there. Aw, wah, wah, wah. 2 pounds of copper. I'm gonna say 2 pounds on the wire. That stuff? Yep. 1 pound.
What I said, 1 pound.
That's what you said. I'm gonna call that 2 pounds of wire and a pound of copper, and that'd be it. 119. Number 2. 2. I think that's like, now if you were to cut off, like, I don't know, maybe cut it right there, and that'd be number 1, and the rest would be number 2. Just a grinder?
You know what I'm saying? I don't have nothing here.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't worried about it.
That's all right. It's all right. I'm trying to get him to up the price of copper here soon. It's starting to go up on the stock market.
Yeah. Like, I think they pay more next door, but I hate them guys next door.
Oh, they do pay more than next door. They probably pay 20 to 30 cents more a pound.
Yeah, but the problem is they won't let you see their scale.
I know.
The thing on their scale.
I know. It should be facing outwards, not inwards.
Yeah, so it's like, I can tell you how much is there. I'm like, no, I don't.
Yeah, that's the general. I've had people weigh their stuff here, go next door. I think Raybo, he did that one time. This one, number 2. Anything that's got paint like that white stuff or solder, yep, right there, yep, is number 2. We're just doing number 1 right now. Another thing, if you strip wire, it's hair wire, so it goes as number 2, no matter if it's, you know, bright copper, you know.
Yeah.
It has to be like, you know, thicker for it to. Let's see. That's all number 1. Just there, 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 there. Anything with solder. All this is number 2 because it's all discolored. Nice cactus you got there, sir.
Yeah, my turtle eats it.
Huh?
My tortoise eats that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, prickly pear.
Watch your head. I gotta come back. There's a bunch of shearing that I have to do there. I have some people who bring everything here except for the copper, you know. Huh?
I said I need
It's on the scale.
I said I need every dime I can get.
All right, that's all the number one. There's 90.
Hey, is this considered number one?
That, yep. That would be. You gonna strip that wire?
No,
All right, there's 92. 92. That's $294. All right.
number two, right?
Yep.
Everything in that barrel is number
Yep.
two there.
Yep.
And now I got a little bit of brass.
You want to take the handles off? It pays a buck more.
You got something? Y'all having Phillips up here?
I'm looking. Let's see about right here. Right here. Wayne.
What about
That. £30. All right. And I'm not gonna make you wait for 2 pounds of brass. So $387. All right, cleanup number 2. Let's hopefully we don't break a flip hose. I gotta fill up that bin with all those motors. Probably gonna have 20,000 pounds of motors on this load. Pipe of steel that doesn't really go out to the tin pile. This looks like copper to me, but that is copper. Yeah. Oh no, it's steel. It's got wire in it. That's just airline. That's not wire. I'm trying to get that pipe. I want just the pipe. I don't want nothing else. I don't know if I can get that out of there, but I'm gonna try with the shear. Same thing with this guy. But I don't know if I can, but at the very least I can chop that up into little pieces and do that as an electric motor. Oh yeah, forgot to. Some of you guys asked. That baler's not in operation right now. That one's for extrusion, and that one's for our painted siding, gutters, your fascia on the front of your house. That's what those are. And then I feel like we're probably going to have to do this every week as the channel grows a little bit more. But like, that's for our trash that goes out to the tin pile that gets baled up into cubes. Then we have two different kinds of aluminum that go in these ones. Some that have a lot of steel, and then that one that doesn't have as much steel or plastic or stuff on it. But yeah, that's what we do. And then we have the pile, which is getting a lot more under control. That's going to go in the crusher here, make a cube eventually, and maybe this week we'll make one if we find enough. Probably tomorrow I'm going to track down and grab from the back of the pile. We're going to slowly work our way. You know, maybe by the middle of next month we'll be like to about here. So, plus you got to keep up with everything else that comes in. So it's not just the pile, but stuff out back, stuff from the customers that come through here. Any bigger loads of aluminum get dumped at the back of the pile, so it's not just the pile that you have to keep up with. I mean, he went through a bunch of crap, so it's good to give him some gravy stuff every now and again, you know? Yep, same spot. Okay, and there's a bigger load of aluminum right there. We'll give him one more. One more? He's like, give me more. Whatever that guy is dumping will most likely get baled up. Uno más. Good. Okay, he said good. I'm just gonna sweep this up so I can track. You don't like to run stuff over with your track. That guy used to, he lives across the street from my kid's mom. He's a roofer. This will be for the next grab, which might be this afternoon, might be tomorrow. Who knows? It depends if Miguel helps him out too. And that is misleading because there's about a 2-foot thing of dirt right there. Yeah, 2 foot high of dirt. So there it is. Ta-da! And now once we get all that stuff off on top, tomorrow I'll track down there and start moving some of the front of the pile and all that stuff. It's just like, but I can bail up most of that, so in here. Nothing you could strip. That one you could probably strip.
Strip that one.
That yellow one. Orange one. Look at that big fat one though.
What? This?
No, right by your elbow. Yeah.
That stuff.
That'd be so hard to strip.
Yeah.
Your machine would not do that.
My machine definitely would do this. You need to strip it 5 times to get through that.
That came out of some pipes that Jim pulled.
Oh, yeah.
So he bought that for steel.
That, how many buses?
No, pipes.
Oh,
Like this?
pipe.
Like this? How about I dump all this on your trailer and you sort it and bring it back?
I'll do it.
I'll do it.
I'll even split it with you, Jeff.
Half a battery. A legit half a battery.
Legit half battery. Motor's ready?
No. No.
Well, let's get him ready, bro.
I wasn't here when you pulled in.
Come on, man.
Let's not forget his half a battery. It's ready now. There you are.
Hey, did you already have my compressor?
What's that?
Did you already have my compressor from last week?
No. How much was that? Was it a big one?
I think it was 79, if I want to say. That's kind of what that's what number sticks in my head. I don't remember that. It was off an AC.
I didn't put that in on Friday?
No.
You sure?
I don't know how I missed it. My receipt was so small.
I'm surprised your subscribers didn't.
No, they did. I sent you a text, dude. On Friday.
Oh, is that the one? Oh, then yeah, you must have got it because I already.
I was wondering if it was on, if you had already had, you never responded to me, so I don't know if you ever put it in the system or not. It was like late day Friday I sent it.
I see sealed unit, it's not on the list. We'll do 74. 74, how's that? Yeah, see, once again, I'm stuck. They got the Aljon in the middle of the yard blocking the bins, and now that he's done baling, they're painting a bus. We'll do that for white
they're
too.
doing it for the race?
Yeah, on Saturday.
Why are they painting it?
Advertising. Man, this thing is heavy.
You should put please subscribe to Nacho stuff on there too.
How are we gonna get this out of here, sir?
Brute strength, watch out.
You gonna do it? Let's watch Nacho work.
Where do you want this to go?
68. 8 plus 68. And then heavy is 56.
Oh, zero.
Sealed unit was 74. Motors, light and heavy. And half a battery.
You make the press from last week.
Yeah, I said 74. I got one in the, I got a screenshot.
How do birds get ready to work out?
Oh, I did that. How to get ready to work out?
Yeah.
Oof, that's a good one. I don't know.
They do their warm-ups.
Worm-ups. Worm-ups. Okay. That's so dumb. So bad.
I'm finding some not really.
Why did the hamburger always lose the race? It can never catch up.
It can never catch up. I was thinking iceberg for some reason. I figured it had something to do with lettuce. I don't know why.
No.
What is a bee's favorite toy?
Honeycomb.
A frisbee.
So we got a dirty joke.
Hang on, let me do this so that way we can, depending on
Oh,
how bad it is, I can decide whether I need to cut it out or not. What did the gorilla, how did the gorilla fix its bike?
It's bike. With a banana peel.
Close, with a monkey wrench.
Monkey wrench.
All right, disclaimer.
Disclaimer.
Cover small ears.
What's a female version of a tea bag? An
Female
old version
of
and
a tea bag.
some people might even not know what that is. Google it. Oh yeah, not Google.
Do not
Google it.
I don't know, Jeff.
A flappuccino.
A floppuccino.
Let's see if that. A good little thumbnail right there. Bam. How long did it take you to strip all this?
Being that it was all cut pieces, bro.
Oh, it was all cut pieces?
Yeah, it come out of the dumpster. 2 days, maybe.
Huh?
Probably 2 days.
Sorry. Bill's probably like, damn it, right, Bill?
What?
You're probably like, I wish it was my load.
Yeah, right. Sometimes we have it.
Sometimes the streets you get lucky, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes. Now, how mad would you be if I said that this was steel? And huh? How mad would you be?
I mean, it is.
Huh? You'd be pissed, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember you brought a piece and I stuck it to the magnet because it looked weird. And it was steel. Yeah. That stuff's not worth stripping.
What?
That stuff.
What?
Same shit.
It's just small.
Yeah.
Oh, that's under it. Okay. I'm gonna guess 400 pounds. That's what I'm gonna guess.
Yeah.
That's what, somewhere in that, between 4 and 5.
Hey, Phil, can you grab that?
I saw it. Oh, are you gonna go out back?
We probably ain't got enough time. Right? It's like closing time right now.
Yeah, you ain't got time. What are we at? Oh, wow. Okay, they're gonna have a lot more. I'm gonna say 450 bucks. I'm gonna say 450 bucks. That's what I'm gonna guess. Unless he was on the scale. No, no, no. Is that it? 684 pounds. $410. $684. You want to throw that in there? Bill? Throw that in there. Where? Right there. Hold on. Oh, that's connected still. Oh, you have to cut that.
What is it?
It's bolted in.
I got sniffs in the truck.
That one can go. Is that what? Is that copper?
How much did it weigh?
684. 684. You're all right. Those will probably go in copper. Yeah. That's all the copper.
Yeah, that's it. All the other shit I'll keep for tomorrow.
33. Oof. All right, hold on. All right, 414.